guys, we are in the middle of like a tornado. I think it just went away, but I don't know. It's raining so much. If you can see it down there, there's a lot of white water. I'm at the beach. It just so happens when we go to the beach, there's a tornado warning. And look how much the umbrella is blowing. It's getting so loud. Oh my God.
That's really good. You're going to scare your mother.
Never go on vacation again.
Wow. Yeah, that's my Disney really bad. So is that, are those birds?
What do you have on your antique Toshiba?
I'm running a Linux operating system. You can see it right here. Linux Lite 4.4 on a, what is this? It's a Core 2 1.7 gigahertz with only 2 gigabyte of RAM.
It's an antique Toshiba.
Yeah, it's an antique. But
Not sponsoring that company by this video. Not a sponsor. Not gonna sponsor that antique company. Oh, dude.
But this is not supposed to be anything like that. Okay.
Oh, it's raining slush.
It is?
Yep.
I don't think we should
It's a really
be upstairs when there's a tornado, but I think it's already gone away. This is a vlog because I haven't done a vlog in about a week or maybe 2 weeks. Sorry for not uploading. I've become way too addicted to Fortnite. My dad got me some V-Bucks on my Switch, and I have to wait another hour. I literally thought the item shop changed at 7 o'clock, but it changes at 8 o'clock, so I'm like, oh my God. I had V-Bucks ready. I bought a glider with the, who's that character? I can't remember the character, but it's like one of the rock stars.
So, you know, in the front there by the garbage can.
The waves are so light right now. I'm not going to go outside because water's probably going to get stuck in my iPad. Because look how much umbrella is blowing. Oh my God.
And there's a big puddle starting over
I
here.
might edit
Anybody
this
that's parked over here, you ever want to
But
get out over there?
cutting like pieces out of my videos is so hard. Because it takes a lot of skill. Unless you want to.
Concrete because in higher ground, because you may not get your vehicles out over here.
Oh, Sanders will go.
Huh?
You should see that floating out there. Four-wheel drive.
I know you got four-wheel drive, but if you're up to here on the side of the car, you're not going to get out. You won't get out. You'll be sunk in water. You'll be underwater. It's flooding over here.
Oh, we'll have to have a look
Oh,
at
it's
it.
You
flooding?
got a free pad to sit and park your car in front of that thing right there. And it's the same place
flooding,
you can
dude.
easily get in and out of.
I wish I could bring this out here so I could show you, but I don't want to get like drowned. Because it's flooding.
You mean over here?
No, right
Not
next
so
door.
loud, please.
Not right next door. The one with the pool. There's next door.
In the front, on the street.
Yeah, I think they were just quiet.
Yeah. there's one at the pool.
Dude, my camera is like lagging out so much.
You can park there. But our 3 cars are in the mud right now. So, I mean,
All right, I think that's a good idea.
yeah, and I don't know if everybody's gonna get out of there. Yeah. But the water's starting to go into the street halfway across. And cars are driving down and it's spraying water almost to the building.
Oh, great. Now to get my truck wet.
You guys need
Okay, maybe you can see.
It's finally going to get washed. What are you talking about?
The water is
leave it there.
flooding.
And bring it inside, you look for a couple.
Oh, jeez.
I don't want to do it away.
Lightning just struck right when I went out there. That's basically the storm telling me, no, you cannot come out here
Rocking chairs are off.
with your
That's not gonna
YouTube channel.
Whoa, maybe I'll come back here.
See? I mean, this
It won't move.
Look at the front and see what I'm talking about. Look out the front.
If you can see that at least a little bit good here, you see kind of the water.
Jackson, come in here.
What? Can you see?
No,
No.
you can come. Dakota, go.
Dakota. Here, no.
Let him up.
Dakota.
Okay, Jackson, come.
Oh, shoot. Oh my God, it's this. I'm like literally outside right now. It's raining so much. Oh my God. So this is my weekly vlog, and it ended really bad. This isn't a window, and this is my proof.
Look down at the puddle down there.
It comes
Oh,
tomorrow, it's gonna fill it.
my camera is really glitching on, so. Oh. Oh my
No,
God.
it stops right over here.
You can see the street light and everything. I swear, like, the storm came right a few days after we came to the beach. It just ruined it. Like, it happened right as the storm comes after we get here.
It's really raining hard. It's coming
I
outside.
don't know if you can hear me or not.
Watch this car. Watch the spray. Watch the spray on this car right here. Watch.
Oh my.
Oh, he went around. Yeah, right there. See it? See it? See it? Look at that road down there. Look at the road right there. Look at the road down there.
Oh wow.
Look at the road.
Oh
That
my
flood's
God.
coming, I'm telling you. Look, look, look. Look, look, look.
Oh my
Look,
God.
look, look. Look up there.
Holy cow.
Yeah, we got waves all the way
Flooding
up here.
so much. Oh my God. I'm just gonna put my iPad right here. Oh my God. This was not tonight
I've got an umbrella down
for
there.
being at the street. Nothing's like broken.
I'm gonna
The
get an
tornado
umbrella
that
for them.
came in Myrtle Beach, but didn't really come around this area much, which was good because I didn't want it to, because I hate tornadoes. It gives me a lot of stress, like for a whole night. Like when I'm sleeping. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Lightning! Oh my God! I don't know how much views it's gonna get. This is my weekly vlog.
Look at that.
People in that hotel were probably freaking out. I mean, there's a tornado. The tornado hits like. Oh wait, what is this? What is this?
It's not, there's no road.
It's like a whole river, dude.
Look, watch this, watch this.
Look at that! Look at that!
Watch this, okay? Keep looking up further. Look up further.
Oh,
Look at this lake, this guy. That is a flood right there. That's why I'm talking to you.
that's a legit flood. Look at that!
You hope so, but you don't
That
know
was my
that.
weekly vlog. It's pretty much all I
Nigga,
have.
party's out here.
Oh wow, the rain is.
Brenda, right here. Watch this car and watch the water up here. Watch this right now.
My God. I'm just gonna like face the camera here. Dude, it's like flooding so much. The rain is going down so hard. This was not the day to be at Myrtle Beach. Hopefully you guys are safe.
But see that pad of cement right there, you could park there and be fine.
Right now,
I have
I'm
an
just
umbrella.
literally so stressed.
Take the
Like, I'm
retrieve one.
shaking so much. I'm sorry if the iPad like shakes. Yeah, yes, I record on my iPad. I'm probably gonna get a GoPro subscription. So don't worry. My camera will be way better next time.
Almost in the doom right now. The waves.
But since my iPad camera's kind
Watch
of
this.
bad,
This is funny.
when
When he
it's
gets
not
up there, it's like it's the whole road.
getting bit. Honestly, does anybody else
What?
getting bit?
Not right now, I'm not.
Oh. Holy cow, look at that. It just made that. Oh. Oh my God, this is not the night to be at Myrtle Beach. I know I've said that 2 times.
That's what he's doing.
Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
You can always make a second video. Don't make it too long. They won't watch it all.
That was pretty much all I had to say in my recording. So that's tonight at Myrtle Beach.
Not a bit.
Hey, it's Toshiba, the antique.
Nope, not on this page. Why? It's high, it's not there.
I have an umbrella, like a golf umbrella, if anybody wants to go out and move it.
No, I'm not going outside. I'm gonna get so wet. And plus, lightning could strike. The windows are black right now. That was my weekly vlog.
refuses to
I know.
Yeah.
Sorry, you got
Bye,
four-wheel
please.
drive. That's all right.
Bye.